Hi everyone. Today we have discussed last 2 points related to chapter kinetic theory of gases and radiation. The first point is Wien's displacement law. The scientist's name is Wiens is observed that the wavelength for which emissive power of perfect black body, the wavelength is defined lambda. Wavelength for which emissive power of perfect black body is maximum. Is maximum. What? The lambda is maximum. Is inversely proportional to the absolute temperature of perfect black body. What is the statement of this Wien's displacement law? The wavelength, you observe that the wavelength for which emissive power of perfect black body is maximum is inversely proportional to the absolute temperature of perfect black body. So you got the equation is lambda max is directly proportional to 1 upon t. So lambda max is equal to b upon t. B is defined Wien's constant. B is defined your Wien's constant. So lambda max into t is equal to b, and the value of b is 2.897 into 10 raised to minus 3 Kelvin meter. Okay, this is the value of Wien's constant. Why it is Kelvin meter? Why? Because lambda max is meter and T is defined temperature. So obviously this SI unit is Kelvin. So the next point is Stefan's Boltzmann law of radiation. What he observes Stephens and Boltzmann. Stephens and Boltzmann says that the rate of emissive power of radiant energy. What is the statement? The rate of emissive power of radiant energy per unit area of perfect black body is directly proportional to the absolute fourth power of absolute temperature. Is directly proportional to the fourth power of absolute temperature. So you got the equation, this one. R is directly proportional to T raised to 4, or R is equal to sigma T raised to 4. Sigma is defined your Stefan's constant. Sigma is defined your Stefan's constant. So value of sigma is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 joule meter raised to minus 2 second raised to minus 1 and Kelvin raised to minus 4. This is your value of sigma. Sigma is defined Stefan's constant, and the dimensions are L0, M1, T raised to minus 3, K raised to minus 3. So the amount of radiant energy of area A in time t is given by. So now we are discussing about amount of energy, radiant energy. So is defined Q per unit area per unit time. So Q upon AT. Q upon AT. So this equal to sigma T raised to. What is R? R is equal to E sigma T raised to 4 is defined your emissive power or emissivity. So you got R is equal to E sigma T raised to 4. R is defined rate of emission of radiant energy. Discuss about for perfect black body we are find out the energies. In a perfect black body there are two temperatures are present. One is absolute temperature and second is the surrounding temperature. So now we are find out the energies. So first is energy radiated per unit area per unit time is equal to sigma T raised to 4, and the energy absorbed from surrounding per unit area per unit time is equal to sigma T0 raised to 4. Okay, you got two energies, different energies. So now we are find out net loss of energy by perfect black body. So you got it, sigma T raised to 4 minus sigma T0 raised to 4. So sigma is common, take outside. So you got expression is T raised to 4 minus T0 raised to 4. So you got a net loss of energy by perfect black body is sigma in bracket T raised to 4 minus T0 raised to 4. So now for ordinary body This is for perfect black body. So now we are discussing about for ordinary body. So you got net loss of energy is equal to E sigma. E is defined your emissive power for ordinary body. Okay. So E sigma in bracket T raised to 4 minus T naught raised to 4. So in perfect black body you got this expression, net loss of energy, and for ordinary body you got this expression, E sigma in bracket T raised to 4 minus T naught raised to 4. Okay. This is your last 2 point. I hope you understood all overall point related to chapter kinetic theory of gases and radiation. Okay, today we are finished here this chapter. Thank you.